Happy day, children. Welcome to class 4 Maths. The first topic you're going to learn is large numbers. And in this large numbers, first you will recall the 4-digit numbers which you have learnt already in your 3rd standard. Then you will learn 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers and extension of number system. Recall 4-digit numbers. As you all know, 6514 is a 4-digit number and the place values are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The number name is 6514. The next subtopic is expanded form. Expand means making something big. So the numbers can also be expanded based on its place value. The number 6 comes under thousands place, so it is 6,000. 5 comes under hundreds place, so it is 500. Number 1 comes under tens place, so it is 10. And 4 comes under ones place, so it is 4. So the expanded form is 6,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 4. The next is standard form. Standard form is also known as short form, which means without expanding the number based on its place value, writing the number as such. Next comes ascending and descending order. Arranging the numbers from smallest to largest is called the ascending order, and arranging the numbers from largest to smallest is called descending order. The next new topic you are going to learn is 5-digit numbers. As you all know, the 4 place values you have learnt is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. To write a 5-digit number, you need a new place value, and that is 10,000. You can see the place value chart below, and also a new term called periods. Based on the place value of the numbers, they are also divided into periods. The place values ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period, and the place values thousands and 10,000s comes under thousands period. The number 26984. It is written as 26,984. The comma is given in between to split the number based on its period. 4 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place. So together it is under ones period. So after that a small comma is given, then the number 6 and 2 comes. Periods are applied only to the numbers of 5-digit and more than that. 4-digit numbers and below that cannot be divided based on the periods. The next one, that is the number as we saw, 26,984. The number name is 26,984. The next subtopic we are going to learn is more than and less than. More than, for example, 100 more than 26,984 is 27,084. So more than means it is addition. 100, the number 100 we are adding along with 26,984. More than is addition. Less than 50 less than 26,984 is 26,934. That is, we are subtracting 50. So more than is addition and less than is subtraction. Next, we are going to learn expanded form of 5-digit numbers. The number 13548, that is 13,548. The number 1 comes under 10,000s, so it can be written as 10,000. The number 3 comes under thousands, so it is written as 3,000. 5 comes under hundreds place, so it is 500. 4 comes under tens place, so it is 40. And 8 comes under ones place, so it is 8. So the number 13,548 can be expanded as 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 8. The next is abacus representation of 5-digit number. How can a 5-digit number be represented on an abacus? Since it is having 5 digits, first we should have 5 spikes on the abacus. That is the first one for ones, the next is for tens, the next is for hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So, based on the number of beads can be drawn. Thank you.